you do. Some minutes down the road, as it knows the moon, here while the man out in black, he's looking for you. He said, nobody can tell me any better tale of a magic woman that lives around these spots. Some sensations in your soul for me. And we took for a second, then he got the man's eye. I recognize him from a wanted poster. He just wants to make it out of loud. And the bar keeps spoken a serious tone. He said, go down to the crossroads all alone. She'll find you, there's just one more thing that you gotta do. Do any little thing that she tells you to do after she rolls them bones. I say yeah, any little thing that she tells you to do after she rolls them bones. So we went down along to the crossroads. About to know it's in a sea, two roads. One's driving kids and the other one, I think I ought to know. To all the boats, the fast smoke too loud. Yes, no one to solve, said the bones just won't better watch your head. He said a dime store worker could have told me that. She said, well, hell, boy, you can have your money back. Once the road's a down, road is going to turn it back. Famous carved in stone, and it's yours alone. He said, the night roll call, and nightingale sings. Well, it won't mean a thing if you don't either one another chicken roll. Well, he said, still a moon all night long, but you don't hear the song, cause you didn't want another chicken rolls. Well, by the gun, you better hear the warning. Too long, you better hear the warning. Got no regrets, you better hear the warning of the chicken rolls. Well, by the gun, you better hear the warning of the chicken rolls. The man in black, he rode in the town, yeah. Got on my shoulders, took a look around. The sun's going down. A voice from behind said, don't mind your gun. I wanted you forever cause you killed my son. Now your time is done. Just at the moment he looked up to the sky. Thought to himself that woman didn't lie. A shot rang out, he fell to the ground, a tear in his eye. As the man with the gun to hear his last words.